Today human connection and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new online entertainment blast. The vast majority have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary standards is an altogether original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost expectation. Decentraland, MANA, a virtual wonder. Every one of the resources and land bundles displayed in the game can be bought with the local token, called mana, be it streets or courts. Since the land ownership is a NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC 721 guidelines, adaptability and security arise as noticeable metaverse game elements. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games, for the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, combining metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, day-to-day popes and some more. Let's plunge further into Decentraland mana value forecast and specialized examination. Decentraland, establishing the groundwork. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Mielich with CEO James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.5 million up in subsidizing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca Brands, Lyft VC, Texture Adventures, Beginning One Capital, Key Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland value expectations, market feeling. Going by the specialized examination, Decentraland cost has had a notable journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the basic role for its fame as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital money remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $1,231,753 with a flowing mana supply of $1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by -6.09%. The specialist's mana cost investigation and Decentraland mana value forecast should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value expectation of $5.30. This mana estimate addresses a move of 86% this year. Moreover, while the feeling encompassing the mana crypto has been exceptionally negative before, the wallet financial backer expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% return for money invested by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The mana cost is determined to reach $3.39023 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost forecast. As per Decentraland cost forecast 2022, the normal most extreme exchanging cost is $3.43703. The base exchanging cost of mana tokens is $2.33718 in 1 year. The Decentraland mana cost expectation for the finish of 2022 is $3.45688. As per our mana crypto forecast, the coin could fill triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have a reasonable bull gone around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. In view of our mana cost conjecture, the token kept on enrolling a colossal bull run and remain exceptionally unstable. The most extreme cost for 2022 is supposed to be around $5.58. On the off chance that this bull run proceeds with the Decentraland cost can reach $16.63 in 2025. As per mana Decentraland cost expectation 2024, the cost will leap to $6 in the principal half of the year. Mana coin cost forecast done by specialists predicts that during the principal half of 2022, the cost can ascend by 46% and 120% in the following 5 years. Financial backer local area outperforming all assumptions concerning by and large development. The Decentraland cost expectations for coming years is recorded underneath, Decentraland value forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital money market, Decentraland, MANA, token is good to go to support areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive MANA estimate and future market capitalization, the street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all boundaries scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto according to our impartial crypto figure for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and conjecture, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire critical benefit from here on out. Decentraland conjecture by specialists proposes, contributing at the ongoing value level might give extensive revisitations of brokers in the close to term and they would have the option to pursue a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As indicated by the cost expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market examiners conjecture the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland value expectation 2023. Decentraland, MANA, has laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. In light of our Decentraland cost figures, these elements can help the Mana token addition a lot greater cost of $6.70 in 2023. If the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland value forecast 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many conjectures going ahead for Decentraland, MANA. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on, there are not many Decentraland conjecture that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland, MANA, value expectation 2025. Decentraland is additionally dynamic in